Hi, pretty people. This is Messy Missy, and
And I am the atypical Nari, and today we are doing
who's likely to do
what?
what?
Some random stuff. Let's
Let's
start
do
now.
it. So, who is most likely to answer the phone if you call in the middle of the night? Yeah.
Definitely. बट अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नींद में थकी हुई हूँ सो रही हूँ तो मैं नहीं उठाऊंगी.
Okay.
Second question was most likely to treat your house like their house.
I think
No, I think we both of us
I think
will do
initially
it.
I will hesitate, but
तो
afterward,
ऐसे तो I will also
no, you
hesitate
didn't hesitate. No, you came to my house.
because वो तो काम था.
I think we both.
हाँ, we both have the same nature कि हम नहीं hesitate करेंगे.
Because I think we both have been friends for so long.
I
That
think
is
we're
why.
matured enough now.
I guess I don't know. Who is most likely to get along better with your parents than you do?
No one.
No one. I think we'll just pretend.
We don't want to get along with our
Yeah, we
parents.
don't even want to see or get close to them. Yeah.
तुम अपनी जिंदगी जियो हमें जीने दो.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Who is most likely to save you from a bad blind date? Interesting question.
So I think I can save you.
I think we both will save each other
Save each
from
other.
it.
Yes.
बस हमें थोड़ा सा ऐसे साइन लैंग्वेज रखनी होगी कि यार now right now I'm on a
Hmm.
blind date, please save me.
हाँ. But we are very mature enough कि हम blind date में जाते नहीं हैं.
Who is most likely to bake you a birthday cake? I think we both can do it for each other, but
No. I make stones and rocks out of cakes. So
जो कोई
baking
नहीं
is
खा
not.
पाएगा.
The baking is not
So
my forte.
she'll make a cake, she'll fail in it, and then she'll order one.
Yes, I can do that. I think we both can just order cakes.
I can bake a cake. बहुत सिंपल सा होता है. देख मैं रेसिपी बताऊँ तुम्हें.
रेसिपी मुझे भी पता है बट मुझसे नहीं बनता कभी. अभी रिसेंटली बनाया था. It turned out to be dust. It was so dry.
Who is most likely to back you up in an argument even if you're wrong?
I don't know.
I mm,
I think
I
you can.
will back my friend for sure. बट जब मैं अकेले होंगी ना आई विल कन्फ्रंट कि भाई देखो मैंने उस टाइम किया तो था तुम्हारा पक्ष लिया था बट यू वर
हाँ.
रॉन्ग देयर.
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
मैं
maybe later on you can say
हाँ
that कि
आई
you were
विल
wrong.
पुट अ मिरर ऑन योर फेस कि भाई यू वर रॉन्ग देयर.
I think that's how friends should be. हमेशा ऐसे सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए अच्छे अच्छे नहीं बट लेटर ऑन अलग से बट यू कैन टेल.
टेल राइट. आई थिंक नॉट ओनली इन फ्रेंडशिप पार्टनरशिप में भी यही होना चाहिए. रिलेशनशिप्स
Any
में भी.
relationship I
हाँ.
think even as a uh, daughter or anything. Who is most likely to give you a nickname?
I think we both will.
I think we can both give each other nicknames.
And I think we both have very short names. We
हाँ.
don't require nickname at all. Who is most likely to fake their birthday at a restaurant for a free cake?
Well, I can do it, but I've never done it.
But I have already done it. Who will not want to have a free cake?
Yeah. Who is most likely to scream in the middle of a horror movie?
This is also me.
Yeah, you.
I
Do you
I I
know?
can I cannot watch horror movies. So firstly, I will not watch a horror movie.
I love horror movies. Please back me up, guys. I love horror movies. But I will start laughing if I'm going with somebody else in the middle of the movie.
You will start laughing.
Yeah. Because it's funny to me.
Who is most likely to randomly burst out into song? Which song?
Any song. ऐसे कैफे में कोई सॉन्ग बज रहा हो बहुत ही.
हाँ, this happens with her. We are talking about anything. It may be a serious topic, and she'll be like, "Oh, ruk ja. The tune is really nice. The song is really nice."
Yeah, this.
She can do that.
Yeah. Who is most likely to hide a zombie bite?
No one, I guess.
No one.
Who is most likely to compete in a reality dating show?
You?
No, you can also do that. You're also an interesting personality to do that. No, you will be a savage girl.
This पंगा नहीं लेने का.
पंगा नहीं लेने का मेरे से.
Who is most likely to leave without saying goodbye?
We both.
Yeah.
We both.
I think ऐसे नहीं, मतलब अगर
We-
ग्रुप
we-
ऑफ पीपल है एंड देन हमें लग रहा है कि हमारी अहमियत नहीं है वहाँ पे, तो हम खिसक लेंगे वहाँ से.
I think we both are no nonsense people. So if
हाँ.
we see someone is throwing nonsense, we'll be like,
यहाँ से निकल लो.
who is most likely to order food, take two bites, and be so full?
I think neither of us. हम दोनों ही खाना खा
We
लेंगे.
we both value food, I
Food, yeah.
guess.
I think हम दोनों ही खा लेंगे एंड आई एंजॉय हैविंग फूड, तो मैं उस हिसाब से ऑर्डर भी करती हूँ फिर.
We are particular about
But
ordering
आई
like
थिंक
what.
ड्रिंक्स के केस में मेरा उल्टा हो जाता है, जो भी मैं ऑर्डर करती हूँ वो एकदम वाहियात निकलता है. सीरियसली.
नहीं मैंने जो रैंडमली किसी कैफे में ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करी है इट हैज टर्न्ड आउट टू बी गुड. अच्छा मैं थोड़ा सेफ्टी भी लेती हूँ लाइक आई आस्क द वेटर लाइक व्हिच वन इज योर
यार मेरे
बेस्ट
को
सेलर.
पूछने के बाद भी वाहियात निकलता है, पता नहीं कैसे.
यू आर चूजी मे बी.
मे बी. हाँ.
Who is most likely to teach you something new?
आई थिंक यू.
Yeah, I motivate people. I want people to come out of their comfort zone and try new things. And the best way to try a new thing is just to do it rather than going into the zone ke will I be able to do it or not. You should just start doing something
बट आई
and
थिंक
then
यू कैन टीच ऑल्सो. जैसे यू हैव बीन अप टू दिस थिंग कि तुम मुझे डांस सिखाओगी.
तो तुम भी मुझे कैंडल मेकिंग सिखाओगी.
मतलब मेरा ऐसा कोई स्ट्रिंजेंट नहीं है कि
गाइस कौन कौन ये वीडियो देखना चाहता है कि ये मुझे कैंडल मेकिंग सिखाए और मैं इसे डांस
डांस. ऑल्दो आई कैन वेरी डांस बट इट्स ओके. वील लर्न हर टाइप ऑफ डांसिंग दिस टाइम.
Who is most likely to write a book?
मी.
Me also.
या आई थिंक
I have already written few books.
ओह
You don't know about that.
नो.
You should know about that.
आई
I think we both. I am a
हाँ.
big time book reader, and she is
Bookworm.
also.
I am not.
She's
But
a.
I'm into poetry.
She is into literature interests her. I guess.
Yes, I think I'm
Not just books but literature.
poet.
in whole.
My poem was published in one of the books, but I want to publish my own poetry.
Who is most likely to start drama and then say I hate drama?
Our mothers.
Our mothers. Yeah, seriously. हम में से कोई भी नहीं. We are just toxic to drama. We'll leave.
Yeah. Who is most likely to plan the entire group vacation? I think you.
Any day I can do that any day.
I
Like
hate it.
a lot of people reach out to me for
Planning and
itinerary
stuff.
and planning and suggestions where to go, what all places are there. So yes, I've done good amount of traveling. I love doing that. एंड अगर कोई मेरे को ऐसे बोले कि आई विल स्पॉन्सर योर ट्रिप तुम बस प्लान करो मैं इन हूँ उस चीज के लिए.
I hate plannings. Although I want things to be planned, but मुझे नहीं
एंड
चाहिए.
व्हाट अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग.
I love traveling.
तो मतलब कोई प्लान कर दे इसके
हाँ,
लिए.
बस कोई प्लान कर दे. That is the thing. I think we fit well
और
together.
कोई हमारी ट्रिप स्पॉन्सर कर दे तो उसके लिए तो हम दोनों राजी हैं.
हाँ, yes. Who is most likely to overshare online?
I am choosy about.
You know?
No, I'm choosy who to overshare with. Like I
Okay.
feel comfortable, then only I share certain stuff. But I have become very comfortable being vulnerable with people.
तो ये तो वही हो गया ना.
I don't overshare. I know what to share and what not
अच्छा
to share.
मतलब एकदम ही shutdown से you have moved on to being, you know, you can judge कि किसके साथ I want to be close and क्या क्या चीज share
And
करना
she
है
तो
मुझसे.
can share ही नहीं करेगी. Overshare तो दूर की बात है.
Okay.
Who is most likely to pee in the shower?
I think we all do, no?
I think we all do. And there can be another Cascading question: who is most likely to pee in a swimming pool?
Swimming pool. Ish, that's not. I think that's
I
not
think I
allowed.
haven't done that.
That's not allowed
That's
also.
There are a lot of things that's not allowed, but people do it.
भैया मैं तो इसलिए जाती ही नहीं पूल में स्विमिंग पूल में
नहीं, मैं स्विमिंग पूल में जाती हूँ, पर मैंने ये हरकत नहीं करी है.
ऐसे
बट
करना
आई
नहीं
नो आई
चाहिए
नो
guys.
पीपल डू दैट.
Who is most likely to pee in the ocean, in the beach?
That also I think I won't like. As in that's a nature place, right? Why would you do
Hmm.
that?
Do fishes pee?
Do fishes drink water? Do they ever feel thirsty?
They do.
Do they get the tendency to take a shower?
Okay, okay. Let's calm down on the questions, guys. Okay.
Who is most likely to get arrested?
I think तुम्हारी
अब मैं
कारनामे लग रहे हैं
हाँ
ऐसे थोड़े
मैं
बहुत.
कभी कभी क्रेजी हरकतें करती हूँ, बट मैं ऐसी क्रेजी हरकतें करती हूँ जो मुझे अरेस्ट तो नहीं कराएंगी.
मैं अरेस्ट करवा दूंगी किसी को. Who is most likely to die first in a horror film? अभी
मैं मर जाऊंगी.
मैं
मैं
हंसते हंसते
मरना
मर
मैं
जाऊंगी.
मरना पसंद करूंगी. Who is most likely to start dating someone just to make someone else jealous?
I have done that.
I will not do that. Like, dating someone takes energy, time. I would not want
I
to
just
waste.
advertise.
No, I would not want to waste my time and energy just कि कोई किसी को
किसी को दिखाना.
jealous feel
Okay,
हो
okay.
या कुछ भी. Also, one more thing, I would not want to break someone's heart just because I want to make someone feel
आजकल है
jealous.
किसी के पास heart? Please tell me, guys.
यार हार्ट सबके पास होता है, जो
But
सिचुएशंस
it's not just
आपको
pumping.
स्टोन हार्टेड बनाने की कोशिश करती है. Who is most likely to join a cult?
I can. I can.
I can never.
No, no
I
cult.
can start my own cult,
Huh, maybe we can start our own cult. Guys,
but I will
will
I
you join
will
us?
not join anyone.
What cult will be ours? Live and let live.
Extra ambitious people. मेरा तो ये होगा.
Live and let live.
Live and let live. Who is most likely to accidentally become a millionaire? None of us. Accidentally तो नहीं होने वाला. We'll have to
We'll have to work
work
for it.
hard, like work really hard. But I think we both are on that pathway right now.
Yes.
Accidentally तो कोई नहीं बनता मिलियनेयर. I think generational wealth जिनके
Hmm.
पास है वो ही हो सकते हैं.
Hmm. I agree. I agree. Who is most likely to get scared by an inanimate object? Me. Like ऐसे सड़क पे कोई वो पुलिस वाले साइंस नहीं होते वो बोर्ड ऐसे खड़े
I
ऐसे
agree, she.
मैं एकदम से डर जाती
Now
हूँ
I
पता है.
agree, she. मैं नहीं डरती हूँ, मैं इतना नहीं डरती इन चीजों से. Who's most likely to yell at a bug? यार लेडी बग बहुत सुंदर होती है. Why would you yell on
I
that?
can yell because most bugs I don't like, at least if they are inside my house. If they
Yeah,
are
she can,
active.
she can. How's your reaction when you see a lizard in your house? Who is most likely to become their parents?
Not me. And not you also.
Yeah, I do care for people. I have that tendency to, become a parent to my friends who are, close to me.
But that's human nature, care. Not like parents. Like हमारे
No,
parents के toxic traits and all that.
नहीं वो नहीं होगा.
Okay. Who is most likely to fall asleep on public transportation and miss their stop?
This is so me. I have done that.
You've done that?
हाँ.
Wow.
I've missed metro stations. I've never missed a train station. I think मैंने ट्रेन से ट्रैवल भी कम किया है.
Mm. But it has never happened with me.
It has happened, but वो बहुत ऐसे minor inconvenience था. ऐसा नहीं था कि
कि
बहुत.
मेजर सा हो गया
हाँ
एकदम you
हाँ.
have to like panic. Okay. But I feel like कभी मौका मिले तो वो भी हो जाएगा तुम्हारे साथ.
नहीं यार ऐसे मत बोलो.
I will be there to help, obviously. But that's it.
That's
That's
it.
the
We are
end
done
of
with
our.
questions. I hope you guys get to know us a little bit more.
Thank you. And if you could relate on any of these questions, please do comment.
And do share your lizard stories with us
Mm-hmm.
in the comments.
Please share, subscribe, and like our channel.
Thank you. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.